Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing your TCL Android TV with a full factory reset. First, make sure your TCL Android TV is powered on and showing the home screen. If your TCL Android TV is frozen, wait a few seconds to see if it responds. Using the remote of your TCL Android TV, press the home button. Now look at the top right corner of your TCL Android TV screen for the settings icon. Select the settings icon on your TCL Android TV using the remote. Scroll down inside the settings menu on your TCL Android TV. Choose Device Preferences on your TCL Android TV. Inside Device Preferences, scroll to the bottom on your TCL Android TV. Select Reset on your TCL Android TV. Your TCL Android TV will now show a confirmation screen. Select Factory Data Reset on your TCL Android TV. On the next screen, choose Erase Everything on your TCL Android TV. Your TCL Android TV will now begin the reset process. If your TCL Android TV doesn't respond, we'll try the physical button reset. Turn off your TCL Android TV using the remote. Unplug the power cable from your TCL Android TV. Wait at least 10 seconds for your TCL Android TV to fully discharge. While the TCL Android TV is unplugged, locate the reset button on the back or bottom. Press and hold the reset button on your TCL Android TV. Keep holding the reset button while plugging the power cable back into your TCL Android TV. Continue holding the reset button until the TCL Android TV logo appears. Release the reset button once your TCL Android TV enters recovery mode. Use the remote to navigate the recovery menu on your TCL Android TV. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset on your TCL Android TV. Confirm the selection to fully reset your TCL Android TV. Now your TCL Android TV will erase all data and restore default settings. This process may take a few minutes depending on your TCL Android TV model. Once complete, your TCL Android TV will reboot automatically. Wait for the TCL Android TV setup screen to appear. When you see the welcome screen, your TCL Android TV reset is successful. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote with the TCL Android TV. Connect your TCL Android TV to Wi-Fi. Log into your Google account on your TCL Android TV. Continue through the setup steps on your TCL Android TV. After setup, test if your TCL Android TV is now faster and more responsive. Check the Apps menu to confirm your TCL Android TV is working normally. Open YouTube on your TCL Android TV to test playback performance. If everything loads correctly, your TCL Android TV reset is complete. If the TCL Android TV still freezes, try performing the reset again. Also check the HDMI cables connected to your TCL Android TV. Make sure the power cable is seated firmly on your TCL Android TV. Try switching the wall socket powering the TCL Android TV. Clean dust from the back vents of your TCL Android TV. Restart your TCL Android TV once more to finalize changes. Navigate through apps to ensure your TCL Android TV operates smoothly. Try adjusting picture settings to optimize your TCL Android TV. Your TCL Android TV should now feel like new after the factory reset. Thanks for watching this TCL Android TV guide on Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more TCL Android TV fixes and tech tutorials.